Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to track your team's goals and objectives using ClickUp. This is your complete 2025 guide to making sure your team is on track and moving forward efficiently. First up, let's set up your goals in ClickUp. To do this, go to the Goals section in the left-hand menu. Select New Goal, fill in the details, and hit Create. The reason we do this is to lay out what we want to achieve in a clear, tangible way. ClickUp allows us to break down these big goals into smaller, manageable targets. Now that we've done that, the next step is to create objectives within these goals. This is where we break down our overall goal into smaller, achievable tasks. To create an objective, click on the goal you just created, hit New Objective, fill in the information, and click Create. This helps us because it gives our team a clear guide of what needs to be done and who's responsible for it. Next up, we're going to assign these objectives to team members. Simply click on the objective, select Assignees, and choose who's responsible. This is crucial as it provides accountability and ensures everyone knows their responsibilities. Now, let me explain why tracking progress matters. ClickUp makes this easy by providing a progress bar for each objective. As tasks are completed, the progress bar fills up, giving you a visual representation of how close you are to reaching your objectives and ultimately your goal. Finally, we want to regularly review these goals and objectives. ClickUp allows you to set notifications for goal updates. Just go to Notification Settings under your profile and tick the box for Goal Updates. This way, you can stay on top of progress without having to constantly check in manually. And there you have it. You're now all set to track your team's goals and objectives in ClickUp. By using this platform, you'll be better organized, more accountable, and closer to achieving your targets. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, keep those goals in sight and your progress on track.